Well, it's 1 o'clock today, viewers. And, well, there's a sneak peek of a video that'll be coming soon. This will be the star of the next video when I get a chance to get every hour. I almost have them all. But today's focus is over here. This is another brand new vacuum that my dad's parents got. It is a Dirt Devil multi-surface rewind upright vacuum cleaner. This is the newest vacuum they've acquired. And if you remember my last video on their cordless stick vacuum, I still can't pronounce the brand of it right, here in the closet. It still exists. Right here. It still works. It's not like they're replacing it. This is really for, like, if they want to take it upstairs or something. This vacuum is more for, like, their, you know, heavy-duty cleaning, I guess you would say. So, here's a close-up of it. There's the turbo brush. There's your attachments right here. Crevice tool with a dusting brush and upholstery tool. Here's your dart collector. Floor selection. Here's the thing for the rewind. You pull the cord out like this. And you press the rewind right here. It retracts. Pretty nifty. Here's the back of the unit. There's your power switch. There's your release. There's the label here. Model number and everything. So like I said, this is not replacing their cordless vacuum that they have. This is really for, you know, you need more suction power, really, to clean the floors. But this is a pretty nice looking vacuum. Give me one sec. I just had to flip my phone around because my hand was getting in the way of the camera. I have better luck holding it this way. But anyway, let's go ahead and I'll demonstrate it for you. Alright, I got it plugged in. And here we go. Alrighty, now give me 1 second while I get the turbo brush attached. Alright, got the turbo brush attached. Let's test it out on a chair. Wow, that suction's powerful. bit of agitation to it. Sorry about that, I was focusing on something else. I have a hard time maneuvering a camera sometimes. Wow, that is powerful. Wow. Even that impressed me. Alrighty. Well, I'm going to put this on bare floor mode, and we'll see how it does on bare floors. Alrighty. I got it set to bare floor mode now. Let's see how it does. Color me impressed. That worked pretty well. It actually kind of had a seal on it for picking up some debris that would normally get spat out. Now, I'm gonna go grab the tripod, set it up, and we're gonna do a little something fun. All right, y'all. I got both vacuums out now. I got the Tenneco cordless vacuum and the Dirt Devil. We're going to double team it today. Never done this before. I actually plan on doing this with a couple of my vacuums at home at some point. I just need to find the right day to do it. But let's do it here. So you won't be able to hear this one because this one is really quiet. But anyway, let's get it on. Yeah, this thing is a lot louder than this. But I'll tell you right now, that was probably the most fun I had. I do this at home quite a bit too, but I haven't had a chance to do it on video yet. Well, I hope you guys all enjoyed that. As always, thanks for watching.